In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use iCloud Keychain on your iPhone. If you've ever struggled to remember all your passwords or wish there was a safe way to store them without hassle, iCloud Keychain is here to simplify your digital life. So, let's dive into it. Firstly, you'll want to open up your iPhone's settings. Look for the familiar grey icon with gears and tap on it to enter the settings menu. Once you're there, glance to the top of your screen and tap on your name. This will take you to your Apple ID settings. Here you'll see a variety of options related to your account. We're interested in iCloud today, so go ahead and tap on it. Now that you're in the iCloud settings, you'll want to scroll down to find the option labelled Passwords and Keychain. It can sometimes be tucked away among a bunch of other features, so keep scrolling until you see it. Once you spot it, give it a tap. Within this menu you'll find a toggle next to iCloud Keychain. If the toggle is currently grey, that means iCloud Keychain is turned off. Tap the toggle to switch it on. Once it's enabled, it will be highlighted in green, letting you know it's active. With iCloud Keychain turned on, your device is now set to securely store your passwords, credit card information, and Wi-Fi login details. This service not only keeps all this information safe, but also makes logging into websites and apps a breeze by auto-filling your saved information whenever prompted. It's like having a virtual assistant that remembers all your important details for you, without needing post-its or notepads to do the job. One thing to remember when you use iCloud Keychain is that it's designed with advanced encryption to ensure your information is kept private and secure. This means only you can see your saved data, making it a trustworthy tool for managing your digital life. Additionally, iCloud Keychain can help generate strong passwords when you're creating new accounts online. As you set up new logins, your iPhone can suggest complex passwords for you, greatly improving your account security without the fuss of coming up with them yourself. And there you have it, you now know how to enable and use iCloud Keychain on your iPhone. It's a simple yet powerful feature that can make your day-to-day interactions with your device more seamless and secure. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more technology tips and tricks.